Okay, so what does SharePoint sound like? Go.
SharePoint sounds like us. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away.
song. What's the point of sharing if you don't have SharePoint?
What does SharePoint sound like? What does SharePoint sound like?
The first time whenever I saw your face.
Sing it.
The first time whenever I saw your face. I see the sun.
Okay, what does SharePoint sound like?
Booyah! Yada yada ching ching!
Okay, what does SharePoint sound like?
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Zoom,
Go.
zoom, 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 zoom.
What does
No,
SharePoint
there's no
sound like?
sound.
Go.
No, there's no sound. Like I say, with mine, it's more a song that I'd use for non-SharePoint users will be U2. I still haven't found what I'm looking for. Then there'll be a song for the users that would benefit from using SharePoint, and that would be U2 if God would send his angels. And then it'd be SharePoint, well, if SharePoint was a song of sound, what did I use? And it'll be U2, Beautiful Day. So yes, it's a beautiful day!
So Francois, what does SharePoint sound like? SharePoint was a sound, what would it be?
You're the one that I want, honey. You're the one that I need,
If SharePoint was a sound, what would it sound like?
We are family.
I've got all my sisters with me.